Today, we are looking at TrustTreaty, a Web3 escrow service. If you have ever been involved in contractual agreements, you usually rely on the strength of a piece of paper, the ethics of those involved, along with the legal framework surrounding it. All can be quite fragile and often vastly complicated. This is where the power of blockchain shines and what the team at TrustTreaty are utilizing to revolutionize the world of contractual agreements and business interactions. Here at Decent Living, we love projects that are using the benefits of a decentralized, tokenized Web3 to solve real-world issues. I love the story of the founding of this company because it really articulates a Web3 success story and outlines key strengths of blockchain technology. The CEO, Chris, a real-world company founder from London, was tired of dealing with the ongoing issues of contractual agreements. When work for clients was needing to be done in advance, the only thing holding each party to their side of the bargain was perhaps an agreement, at best on paper, but often only verbally. But if the client is not happy with the work and chooses not to pay, or if the worker did not do appropriate work and the client feels like they have a right not to pay, there is no way to really handle the issue outside of the pain of one side taking the other to court. So what TrustTreaty are doing here are protecting any breach in agreements by using fully transparent smart contracts where everything is visible on the blockchain for all parties to see, along with everything else. The whole process is visible. Let's imagine you are providing a service. The party hiring you will need to put the funds in escrow with TrustTreaty on the blockchain, completely visible to you and under agreement to be released upon completion. In addition to transparency, there is the benefits of seeing the client's credibility as all previous actions are recorded on-chain. The application of this is as vast as the applications of contracts, from residential agreements to construction work to crypto jobs, art projects, and look, even just an agreement between mates. Recipients of Polygon ecosystem grants, TrustTreaty are a strong team establishing a strong foundation in the Web3 space. So, how does TrustTreaty actually work? Let's break it down step by step. If you head over to TrustTreaty.com and launch the app, you can choose which network to create your contract. At the moment, the options are Binance, Ethereum, and Polygon. After selecting one of those, you enter the title of your contract. Then you as a client would outline the list of services you want to see provided. Select a start date and an end date. Enter the payment amount, which can be in BUSD, USDT, or USDC, and click sign. You have to have the appropriate amount to cover the tax to TrustTreaty and the potential fee that only gets charged if there is a dispute. This amount is sent into an escrow service, all completely visible on-chain. After signature, this prompts a link that can be sent to the provider of the services. So in this case, I'm sending my test contract for video editing services to the video editor. They accept the job and can even chat about it. Then when complete, they request payment. All that's left now is to approve that the job is complete as outlined in the contract, and the payment is then transferred to the provider. If there are any disputes, up to 3 anonymous agents will be involved to settle it, and that's it. Simple, quick, easy, and safe. On their site, you can see a breakdown of the fees associated. The tax is what TrustTreaty receive for their service and ranges from 0.123% of the contract amount. Then the dispute fee, which is only used in the event of a dispute, it ranges from $5 to a maximum of $50, depending on the escrowed amount. I really liked this experience, and even more so, I'm excited by its capacity to reach and introduce a whole new base of potential users to the wonderful decentralized world of Web3. It solves so many real-world headaches, whether it's a contract for a small task like a video edit or large, high-stakes environments like real estate. It's really evident that TrustTreaty have made something here that can tick all the boxes to provide a safe and seamless contractual agreement process. Another tool in the toolkit of a decent living. If you want to know the latest in Web3, blockchain and NFTs, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.